Hello friends, I hope you all are doing good. In this particular video, I am going to cover how you can fix Explorer, Windows Explorer that is crashing in your Windows 11 or else Windows Explorer that is not responding. So to solve this particular issue, first of all, we will be going to the task manager. So to go to task manager, we will go to the Windows icon shown in your taskbar and right click on it to go to task manager. You can also go by shortcut. I am here by shortcut. If after this window appears to you, you have to just go down and find Windows Explorer here. Below it might be there. You have to go to down and find Windows Explorer. You can see that Windows Explorer is here. You have to right click on it and click on restart. After you click on restart, it will start working. After, if it doesn't work for you, then I have the another option. You have to go to run Windows like this, right click on Windows icon and go to run application. After this you have to type here Explorer. After you type Explorer here, you have to click on OK. You can see that Explorer trick worked. You can use this trick. Thanks for watching this video.